Hello students, welcome back in your English language class. Today we are going to start a new topic, conjunctions. So let's start. Students, before starting, let's watch a video.
Let's learn about conjunctions. I can join anything in the world, says Super Balu. Can you join this? Asks Gul. There you go. Can you join this? There you go. Let me see you join these words. Oh, look, he has joined the words. How did you do that? I used my conjunction power, says Super Balu. But what is a conjunction? Conjunctions are joining words. They join words and sentences. So instead of saying, Crow has an apple, Crow has an orange, you can use the conjunction and to join the two sentences into one. And the sentence will now read, Crow has an apple and an orange. Here, and is a joining word. How about another example? Jojo can go to the circus. Jojo can go to the astrologer. You can use the conjunction or to join the two sentences. Jojo can go to the circus or to the astrologer. Let's take another example. Thud is big. Kitty is small. You can join the sentences using the conjunction but. Thud is big, but Kitty is small. So there you go. As glue is to paper, conjunctions are to words. They make English easier by simply joining words.
Now students, I hope you got an idea of conjunctions and you have also seen conjunction power. Okay, let's read these sentences. Anna and Lucy are sisters. Here we got that, or we can see that here and is written in bold, and just by watching video we got that and is a joining word. Okay, that means and is a conjunction. So here the word and joins two words, two nouns here, Anna and Lucy. And so the sentence is Anna and Lucy are sisters. Now see another sentence. Anna is simple, but Lucy is clever. Previously, there were two sentences. Anna is simple, Lucy is clever. But with the help of joining word, but, we have joined these sentences and now we have converted it into one sentence. So, the sentence will read like this. Anna is simple, but Lucy is clever. Again, number 3. Anna gets punished although the mischief is done by Lucy. Again, just like number 2, this sentence was also two sentences. And then afterwards, they were joined with the help of the joining word although. Previously, they were like Anna gets punished, the mischief is done by Lucy. These were the two sentences. And with the help of the joining word, although, we have joined these sentences into one. And the sentence will read like this: Anna gets punished although the mischief is done by Lucy. So we got that in these sentences the words and, but, and although, these words have been used as conjunctions. Okay, so I hope you have seen conjunction power of Super Balu. Now, what we got, that what is the definition of a conjunction? A conjunction is a word used to join words, groups of words. Groups of words may also be called phrases or clauses, okay, or sentences. Okay, so we got that mainly conjunction is a joining word. Its work is to join words or group of words or sentences. Now, here's some conjunctions are written which we use, like and, but, because, since, or, either or, neither nor, although, though, if, unless, and many more. So many conjunctions are there. We will read about them afterwards. Now, see how this conjunction power works. See, first sentence, here two sentences are given. He read the notes, he returned them to me. Now, we have used here our conjunction power, that means joining word, conjunction, and we have joined these sentences into one. So, the sentence will read, he read the notes and returned them to me. Here, he of second sentence is omitted because it is if we use he again, then it will be repeated. That's why. Again, see number 2. He came to meet me. I was not at home. And we have joined these sentences with the help of the joining word but. So the sentence will read, he came to meet me, but I was not at home. Okay. Again, in number 3, two sentences are given. He is rich, he is happy. And we have used the joining word and the sentence will read, he is rich and happy. See how we have changed these sentences in a short form. Now it is, we have written this in a very short way, right? Let's see more functions or more examples of conjunctions. Conjunctions join together sentences and often make them more compact. Compact means short. Thus, Balu and Malu are good bowlers is a short way of saying Balu is a good bowler and Malu is a good bowler. If we suppose previously they were two sentences, Balu is a good bowler and Malu is a good bowler. Okay, we have used conjunction and we have joined these sentences. So the sentence will be Balu is a good bowler and Malu is a good bowler. But we can write this sentence in a shorter way. How? We can write Balu and Malu. Right, if we join these two nouns, then see the sentence will be very short. And our sentence will become Balu and Malu are good bowlers. Right, that means conjunctions help us to write in a compact way. Let's see more examples. The man is poor, but he is honest. Okay, and if we want to write these in a contracted way, we can write the man is poor but honest. We have not written he is. Okay, just we have written the man is poor but honest. See, the meaning is totally same. Okay. Sometimes However, the conjunctions and joins words only. Like Hari and Sham are brothers. Hari and Sham, they are two words, and these two words are joined with the help of the conjunction and. Again, next, 2 and 2 make 4. Again, here 2 and 2. These two words are joined with the help of the word or the joining word and. Now, students, in the following sentences, the words written in bold letters have been used as conjunctions. You have to read this. I will read out for you, and you have to understand how conjunctions actually work. Okay. See, number 1, she said that she would never deceive her friends. Here, that is a conjunction. Okay. So just think, how were the sentences previously? Previously, there were two sentences. First, she said, and second, she would never deceive her friends. And these sentences were joined with the help of the word that into one sentence. And so the sentence will read now, she said that she would never deceive her friends. I hope you understood how this conjunction joins sentences. Let's read the next one. Make hay while the sun shines. Again, here two sentences. Make hay, the sun shines, is joined by, these sentences are joined with the help of the word while. And so the sentence read, make hay while the sun shines. Number 3, if you are cheerful, you will work better. Here, the bold word is if, and if is conjunction here. Okay, it is written at the starting of the sentence. Okay, and again this if is joining two sentences. You are cheerful, you will work better. Okay, next, I respect him although he is very strict. Again, here the conjunction although is joining two sentences. I respect him and he is very strict. Next, number 5, we stopped working when the clock struck 5. Here also, when, which is a conjunction, is joining two sentences. We stopped working, and the second sentence is the clock struck 5. Okay, I hope you understood the function of conjunction. Now, there is an exercise for you, an activity. You have to do this, then the idea of conjunction will be more clear to you. And if you will have any difficulty, then I am always there. You can ask anytime. So what you have to do, you have to pick out the conjunctions from these sentences. Okay, I am reading out these sentences for you. Number 1, when the teacher entered the class, everybody stood up to greet her, as you people do. Number 2, he said that he was sorry for his mistake. Number 3, a virus corrupted all my files while I was browsing the internet. Number 4, you cannot get admission here unless you pass an entrance test. Number 5, hurry up or you might get late. Students, you have to copy these questions, then you have to pick out the conjunctions, you have to write the answers, and then you have to send it to me, or you have to send it to your respective English teacher for checking. Okay, so today up to this. In our next video, we will learn the functions of some conjunctions. We will learn uses of some conjunctions. Okay then, thank you. Have a nice day.